So my today's example topic is going to be India's relation with GCC countries or Gulf countries. GCC stands for Gulf Cooperation Council. It is an entity comprising of six countries: Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain. Together, this entity and India both have a very vital strategic partnership with each other. The key pillars in our relation with this entity is number one, economic cooperation. It is the largest trading partner of India, which goes up to 15% of India's total trade. Along with that, India has been signing free trade agreement with various countries, including the Gulf nation, which are rich countries, and they heavily invest in India's technology companies and startups, which is very important for India's growth and its path to its 2047 Viksit Bharat vision. Along with that, there's a infrastructure investment. As I told, there are FTAs being signed, so Gulf countries invest in India. But along with that, India has been also investing in these countries through IMEC, which is India Middle East Europe corridor, which India is developing for its trade as a alternative to Suez Canal. Along with that, energy security. India buys a total of its 50% crude oil from these Gulf countries, and these countries are very important for meeting India's security needs, as these are the countries who are fueling our economy, who are fueling our growth, who are fueling our transportation and our industries. Along with that, the Indian diaspora. A total of 90 lakh Indians live in this Gulf nation, and they send a huge amount of remittance to our foreign remittance to our country. Basically, remittance is the amount of money that they earn from these foreign countries and then they send back in India to their families. So this money is counted foreign remittance, and we have a very huge foreign remittance from this Gulf nation. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that for India's 2047 Bharat Viksit Bharat vision, a vision which our governments has formulated, which envisions India as a developed nation, a nation which is self-independent, a nation which is self-reliant. So, to achieve such a goal, GCC countries are very important for us, for our development, and together with the GCC and India, both can grow and help each other in trade with collaborative initiatives in technology, in trade, and in people to people exchanges. Both countries can develop and prosper. Thank you.